Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about how to utilize design option in a Revit. The design option is most powerful for design fund. That what do you already created the model, then you show to the client, then they will be accepted or they will admitted your model. They want to change the layout and they want to change to the material or everything that you can amend it is like option 1, 2, 3. Then they have a lot of idea. They got teams like the consultant or something that they have a lot of idea. They will say, oh, that option 1, that option 2, then another is option 3. Then you bring it up in the meeting, then we will choose. So what option is most beautiful that for the reading. So they will be using that this idea. You can use this design option for your model. Okay, let's find out here. I did create the simple layout, and just this is a simple one for you to understand to utilize the design option in the Revit. Okay, let's find out. And the design option, that's a two way you can going to use this. The click here is the design option here. Another one is going to the manage, and you can look at here. That's the same thing. You can click here. That's the one. Then he will pop up. This is the window, and you can edit, or you can naming or create a new one in here. So okay, we are going to create a new one. It's a design one. Okay, that is like okay. You can rename whatever you want. It is like okay, the reading, and the option 1, and another one. If you want to create the option 2, the option 1 is if you want to only have one option, you don't need to create this. You don't need to use the design option, but you have all three option and 3 here, and you can create a 3 here. So okay, so for this tutorial I will use the option 1 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's find out. It just you already created 1, 2, 3 in here. Just close it. But what if you showing if you already have this is a solution that is the decided by the client or your own house or own your design, then and you look at on this, what element should be in option. So you have to select that and you assign the design option of 1, 2, 3. But if you're not sure, then you can let it be. Then the later you wanted to put in the option 1 and 2, you can amend it later. So for now in this tutorial video, so I will put it all the doors and window and in here everything I will put in the design. So okay, I will just select it, everything is selection here. Then I will going to assign the option, what the option you wanted to here. Then you look here, add to set. You're going to manage in here, add to set here. The click over this. Then you want to assign this you wanted to assign in the option that is selected element to this option. You just click everything that you click OK. Then you will see here, this is the main model in here. Then you can change the option 1, 2, 3. That is the primary, the option 1. You just leave it. Then the option 2, you want to going to modify this is in the model, and you want to change in the layout. Then you can modify. You can go into modify 2. Then you will see this. So the rest is not in the option there. That everything that will be gray out exact the selected element exact from the design option. So that you look over this and the grid line, that will be the gray out, but you haven't selected. So we are only focused on that element that we wanted to change the design. And look over this. This is the entrance. The primary design used by this plain door, the door, double door here. But the client they want to choose. For example, this guy, and choose this design for this option 2, and the door, the window, every window, just select the visible view. Look at this, everything is selected. You want to change changes to the tablet window are in here. This is 1 2 3. Okay, this is the option 2. Then in here is just leave it late. I will add on the option 3. So and the interior door, so we will change like okay, for example selected those. Then whereas we have it in here and the door is glazing on in here. So it's not really good design. So that this door design is the second option, that and the positioning anything will be amended on the option 3. So and the client will be choosing on. So if I go into the option 3, I will show you the option 1. Is a primary design, just like that. It's very simple one. So going to the option 2, just like what you change in the option 2. So if I go into the option 3, now to go back to the primary, that you have to change it, or you wanted to what design that. Okay, then I will choose to, and this guy not really nice. Okay, this is the door, it's the entrance, that is the exit door. Choose to, what about this guy? But the positioning is not good. So what else we need to do this, the door, the option A, that's what I told you, the option is like this. And change this design, and the window change to and this design, and not that one. If I choose this guy, let's see this guy. Okay, it look good, but another one in here is very far here. They wanted to put the two door in here, two window in here. Just let it be here. Then you go into the plant and change to, you want to move to here, and this one you want to put here, and that one too short, and the final option is they do not want this, they want to undo this layout. We look at it on the 3D view, just like this design. Okay, so we will stop it in the 1 2 3, the option here. So we are going to here, the primary, that is a simple. There's a one room is over here, the material, the door material is like everything is plain. The option 2, we were choosing this design, and we just change it. But then the client, they wanted to put another window here, so we will choose to the option 3. Look over this. There's no the room in here. Look over this, the window option 2, and you look at this. It is all slightly changes like this. So that's how you can play into your the building design, and you can show it to the client. You're working on the design fund. Everything every week they have a meeting. Every week they want to update. They want to change in the design. Then you can use this method. Everything is amazing. So it's quite useful that. So I hope you guys this how to utilize the design option in Revit. So use this method. If you want to using the all option here, remember this video. That's quite useful for you. I hope you like it, this video, and the thumbs up and comment down below, and the subscribe for more tutorial video. See you next video. Bye bye.